may watch on a certain time, random time. Let's put it on a random time. And let's put my watch on the table. We reveal the random time later. Okay po. Tapos, yes si ma'am. Yes ma'am, what's your name? You can just hold this. The envelope. Just for me to show you, sir, na no switching will happen. If envelope will be coming from my body, sabihin na, ay, diyan pala itong envelope. If somewhere in here, there's a switch. But this time, no switching will happen. Okay, ito gagawin natin. Nasubukan mo naman balikin. Of course. When you dream, when you wake up, do you 100% remember the dream? Or part lang? Part lang picture scene by scene. And ang weird part is, hindi sila related. Tapos for people in your dream, learn your faces. Although you know na ito siya, pero may super na sila.
Hindi sila yung...
Yes. Pero alam mo, ito yung tito mo. Pero weird, di ba? Learn your face, ganun. And then, sabi sa akin ng lola ko, if somebody tells you number in your dream, swerte lang yun. Kaya nga lang sa lola. Tapos kagabi sir, nanaginip ako kagabi, it's about a celebrity. I was talking to a celebrity. Alam mo celebrity siya kasi very famous, but the thing is very famous. Tapos may sinabi ko sa akin, sir, if you're going to give me a number, if you were in my team, makikita mo sa number between 1 to 99. 58. Tapos, subukan nyo na yung magising sometime in the morning, 3 hours in the morning. Without any reason that can exist. What do you think was the time when I woke up? 3:05? Exactly. 3:20? 3:45? What? 3:50? 3:50? Any particular reason? Parang random. I'll be showing you, sinasabi ko kanina, meron akong note. 3:58 parang dumating na siya. Or special reason.
Dati sa akin alay.
Pero sir, I don't know that na you will be saying 3:58 special para sa iyo. Papakita ko sa iyo yung aking notepad. It contains may list po. List of things that I always pakita ko. And your number is? Pupo kayo man. Mapaka-importante na 58. Okay ba? I'll just find my notepad, sir. Your notes. In my notes, may mga celebrity. May mga shopping list. Punta natin celebrity. Do you know most of them or some of them? Most of them, okay. Can you attest na iba-iba po siya? They're all different, 1 to 100 lang ako. If you have chosen, sir, number 1, who would be your celebrity? If you have chosen 100, who would be your celebrity? In this case, you have chosen 58. Let's find out your celebrity. The celebrity for number 58 is, you know Ariana Grande, the famous team na yung Mobstar. Mas meron ako dito, sir. Shopping list. I do my shopping list. I'm a single parents. Parents? Ayan po. Tapos, I do my shopping alone. Display list. Number 1, Apple. Tama ba? All different. 1 to 100, all different shopping. You're familiar with the shopping. And you have chosen, if you have chosen 27, what is your, since you have chosen 58, very special number for you, the shopping list is pizza. There are a lot of combinations. So for a lot of 100 different actors, 100 different shopping lists, and you arrive with Ariana Grande pizza. Pero maraming different combinations. Sabi ko sa'yo, sir, I was dreaming about a celebrity. I can't really remember, pero at the end of the day, naalala ko siya. I was able to print the picture. Can you please check what's on the envelope?
Kung sa isang kailangan papakita sa inyo.
Yes po.
Sila Arnold.
Yung chosen, number na sabi ko,
Random.
Tapos sir, you told the routine,
Oo.
I will be putting my watch on a random time, then I turn it face down, and I never touch it again. Tama po? What was your chosen time? 3:58. Are you sure?
Oo.
Mentalism.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Ito ang Pilipino property. Bibig sa court.
Thank you, ma'am.